today I got some candy from Luca's birthday. I got Pringles again. He's a favorite. I got some Nene stickers. Lion!
Sino ganyan? Sabi.
Ah!
Ambot.
It's a lion. Look. I got a lion sticker.
Ang brother.
I got a lion sticker. Ooh, these Skittles. I got these Skittles. And what are these? Are these stickers? Are these tattoos? Are these tattoos? And I got tattoo. Gummy bear. I got gummy bear. I got all these tattoos inside. You can't see.
So, meron tayong Shein bag dito. Yung hole na natin. Nabuksan ko na yung isa kanina. Nabuksan ko is yung para sa likod ni Kai. This one. This one. This one is pajama. Ay, napaka-soft. Perfect.
Cut this bear out.
No, because you're gonna cut something.
No,
Ang cute naman nito, oh. Ganyan yung print niya, guys. Pa ribbon. Bow siya. Ay, tapos napaka-soft. Ganito. Ang loob.
You're about to break the bear when I'm cutting.
No, you're gonna cut something inside. I said no.
Can you just cut the bear out, please?
Later. Next is this. So, this one is for, yung pag nag-nurse ka. So, pag si Kai nagdedede, I'm just gonna, put this like that. Para makover ako. This is the print, yung rainbow. And we have this! Since tuloy-tuloy na ang ating bakasyon. So, bumili ako nito. Ayan, black lang siya, which is so nice. Dito ko ilalagay yung mga passport namin. So, 4 kami, which is kasyang-kasya dito yung passport. Ayan. So, marami siyang compartments, guys. So, lagay ko dyan. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano ko siya i-sort out. So, this one is Kai's. Oh, your nuggets is ready, ate. Kai's plate. So, we have this bowl. Meron na tayong binili sa Kmart. And okay na okay yung plastic na bowl niya, yung suction. So, I really like that. Pero yung plate, guys, hindi siya nagsa-suction. Ay, ito very good. Very good yung suction nito. Yan. Tapos, mas gusto ko yung ganito kaysa sa silicone. Though silicone yung labas, pero at least yung loob hindi silicone. Yan. Para hindi lasang sabon yung pagkain. Yun kasi yung lagi kong problema sa silicone. And you can also take out the silicone. So, pag hindi mo na kailangan yung suction, you can just use this. Which is so good kasi may ganito siya. That's perfect. Meron sa guys, Shein. Ang nice. And may kasama na siyang bibs. Yung in-order ko is yung complete set. Ayan. May kasama na siyang bib. Yung binili kong bib na silicone sa Kmart, nag-stain yung guys, mga kulay orange like pumpkin, carrot, ganun. May stain na siya ngayon. So, I bought extra. And then, eto, hindi pa ito magagamit ngayon ni Kai kasi stainless siya. So, the one that he's using right now is yung soft, the silicone from B-Box. And this one is, ipit for Mia. Yung malalaking bows. Yes, very nice. Pag mahilig na kasi siya mag-ponytail up, yun lang lagi yung gusto niyang gawin ko sa buhok niya. So, this one is actually perfect. Hindi pala siya yung clip. Kasi, ganyan siya. Yung pinipress dito tapos lalabas. Ayan. So, hindi siya basta-basta makukuha. Ganito yung unang, nice. Ito yung unang design. 5, 6, 2, 4, 6. 6. So, puro pink. Ayan. Ang nice na to, guys. Mura lang din to sa Shein. Yan. Next. Oh, this one is mine. Pang winter. Ay, nice. Ayan siya, plain lang na top, knitted, tapos very soft. Very, very, very soft. Ito yung nakita kong parang gusto ko talaga. And in-order ko siya. Kasi parang feeling ko kasyang-kasya siya sa akin. Ano yung tela niya, guys? Di ko alam. Soft, knitted, ano ba? Ganyan yung tela niya. Very soft siya na pagka-knitted. Parang, yeah. And tamang-tama yung length ng pants. And then, I've got this top as well.
What's in your phone here?
Turtleneck to. Nope. You're not allowed. Ay, kasyang-kasya lang sa akin. Oh, yeah. The nuggets. Yeah, I'll get the nuggets. So, this one is for Kai's. Shoes siya. So, parang, yeah, socks siya dito. Hindi naman siya socks. Basta ganyan yung design niya. Tapos, rubber sa, yeah, rubber siya sa baba. So, maganda to pag nasa walker siya. Yan. Very nice. Kasya kaya to. Parang super laki. And this, taradon, dadan. Anong size to? Ang cute nito. Ang ganda ng tela. 6 to 9 months. Ayan. 6 to 9 months, guys. Oh. Ang cute. Yan. So, I think, ito yung next month niya na costume. Ay, nice. This one is for Ate Mia. You like this? Yeah, for 5 years old. Ang ganda. Ay, I've got this as well. So, bumili ako nito para sa passport namin. So, pakita ko mamaya sa inyo ano gagawin ko dyan. And this one is Daddy's Little Mechanic. Ang cute. Daddy's Little Mechanic. So, kay din to, guys. Oy, what happened? Oh, this one is for, yung tawag dito, yung pag nagsushoes ka, tapos may masakit dito sa likod. Diyan mo siya ilalagay. Parang tape siya. Yan. And then we have, ito naman is for, yeah, for the Crocs ko to. Yung mga charms. So, flower lang siya. Na charm. And then, I've got another one. Yung mga bow para sa Crocs din. And I've got more. Nahihilig ako sa kulay na ganito ngayon. For some reason, I don't know why. Blue and pink. So, I've got this clip. Ang cute kasi ng design niya. Merong, ayan, pa-flower. Yes. So, I got that for my... And this one is, I believe, para siya sa mahabang pants. So, you can use this, tapos i-plancha mo para ma-fold mo yung pants if mahaba siya sa'yo. So, yeah. Pag ginawa ko to, I'll show you guys. Nakita ko lang sa Shein. So, pinaplancha siya para magdikit yung fabric. And then, I'm not sure if permanent na yun. Baka permanent na. I don't know. And, last one for Kai. Ito yung isang binili kong costume para sa monthly picture photo niya. Ayan! Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Ayan, ano siya guys, farmer siya. This one is 9 to 12 months. Hala, 9 to 12 months. So, medyo mahaba to sa kanya, but that's fine. Yes! And itong pinaka-gusto ko. Oh, you want ketchup? Ayan, ito lang gusto ko. Yung maliit lang siya na pang swimming ni Mia. Kasi hindi naman madami yung kailangan dalhin. Yung nakita ko last time sa Kmart, super laki naman. Pero sabi ko, okay lang din na malaki. Kasi, yeah, lalagyan mo ng towel. So, feeling ko nga hindi kasi yung towel namin dito. Ang liit-liit pala talaga niya. Yung, na-expect ko is medyo malaki. But, yeah, this one's alright already for swimming. I think one clothes will fit na. So, yeah, maliit lang siya, guys. Nauuso to ngayon. Sabay din sa uso si Mami. So, yeah, lagyan lang naman siya ng towel. Tapos, isang damit ni Mia. Shampoo. Yeah, yun lang. So, sabi ko, hindi kailangan ng super laki. Pero pag nagbi-beach ka talaga, maganda yung malaki. Kasi yung tawag doon nila is beach bag ata. Beach bag, yeah. So, yeah. Tapos, pwede kasya ba dito yung mga binili kong ano? Parang hindi naman. So, shoes ata to talaga eh. Yung binili kong charms. Yeah. Ay, pwede! Ay, pwede! Perfect! Yung binili kong charms, pwede siya sa bag. Wait. I-design ko lang siya, tapos pakita ko sa inyo. It's okay! Para to sa Crocs ko, nilagay ko na sa bag. Parang buang. Ano? Anong problema? This. Isn't it right? Isn't it nice? I like it.
That's my bag, right?
This is for swimming. So I don't need to bring that big backpack.
That's actually too good because that's actually from his swimming suit too.
Yeah.
That's like a swimming bag.
Yeah, it's for swimming. Yeah, it should be right. Yay! I did it! I did it! I did it! Oh. Ayan na siya, guys. Isn't it cute? Aww. Very nice. Aminin nyo, maganda. Aminin nyo, maganda siya. Sabi ko, ilalagay ko to sa Crocs ko. Hindi man sa Crocs natin nalagay. Sa bag man, guys. Ha? You finished it? Oh, wow. Yes, that should be right. So that's it, guys!
We're in trances, going all to different places, different places.